Welcome to our Adventure Miles. Hello everyone.
Hello.
So we are here in Santorini,
Woo!
in the bustling town of Fira,
Yes.
which is take you around in a few minutes. But we arrived in Santorini a few days ago. We are staying in the small town of
Kamari.
It's a little beach town. It's fantastic. And are you enjoying it there?
Oh my God, it's beautiful.
Voiceovers. Yeah. Welcome to Kamari Beach area. This is a 5-minute walk, not even 2-minute walk from our unit, which is straight up that street. And here is our beach. It's rock. These umbrellas are available to either rent or come complimentary with a drink. Yeah, beautiful.
So we came across this barrel of wine and it's red or white, and you get a plastic jug and you just help yourself. It's a self-serve and it's like $2.
€2 for the top bottles.
Yeah,
$3.50
for the
larger
bigger bottle. I heard though it's not the greatest type of wine, but if you're looking for a wine, that's $2.
Not bad price. Correct.
Beautiful.
And the room is fantastic. We'll show you our room.
We've just arrived in Santorini and we're going to show you our room. So it's a studio, so it won't take long. Okay, we just walked in through the door. We have the vanity behind me, and then we have the bed. And the side corner here is the kitchen area. And there's a table there. And in here is the bathroom. And through this door is the balcony.
And there's our view. Pretty nice. We're at the Dioscuri, what is it? Dioscuri Hotel. So really nice area. And just down there, but you can't see it, is a pool. blink. But it's a nice room, looks comfortable.
Yeah, it's a nice room.
Has air conditioning, has everything we need for the time we're here for 6 days.
Right. Our breakfast is included and it has a pool. So we're looking forward to those two things. Yeah. That's it.
So this lady comes by and you buy your tickets from her direct on the bus. There's no need to buy your bus tickets in advance. We just got off the bus at this crazy bus station in Fira, and behind us there's really no rhyme or reason as to what the buses are. And yeah, so it's just hopefully you find the bus, you buy the bus tickets on the bus. So I'm just going to give you a shot of the bus ticket. Basically, you come over here and don't trust what it says and look for the local bus and ask if it goes to Kamari. All right, so we just came up from the bus station, which is straight down there. And this is the start of the Fira Old Town. You can tell they blocked it off from traffic and it's basically a footpath. We'll take you around this bustling town of beautiful Fira. Look behind us, the Caldera. It's just fantastic. So we'll bring you along. Hope you enjoy.
Here you get like, and then you get.
So this is inside the courtyard of the church. It's quite beautiful. The church is free to enter, and so is the courtyard. You just have to be properly covered, no flash, and quiet, of course. That's one unfortunate fishing mishap. Can't imagine what it's like in the on season because we're in the off season right now. This area is, if you want to eat off the beaten path and the tourist traps, this is less expensive places to grab the lunch. Behind us is Nick the Grill, which we heard was a really, really good place for souvlaki or gyros or whatever. And down the way is called Lucky's. I haven't gotten there yet. And that's also apparently a very good place for gyros. So if you want to ride a donkey up, or if you want to go down to the old port, this is your route.
Three ships.
Sì, si sta là sopra.
So the reason this is called the Caldera is this circle here is actually a volcano, and that's the center of the volcano. Think it's active? Let's hope it's not active while we're here. That's the town of Fira. 3 bells. Like the video, please subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.